Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Now that we're out of debt, we've got a lot more money for house maintenance, and it's got to be done, not only to increase the value of the house, but to make our lives better. Let's check it out. We're getting these double glazed windows installed in the lounge and the dining room. It's going to make a huge difference in terms of the heating and also the noise. Over time, as money arrives, we'll do the rest of the house as well. And so it begins. The window is getting replaced in the kitchen. And that one over there. Here we go, the windows are out. It's time for the installation. It looks like the vehicle's arrived with the new windows. And just like that, it's all been installed. Brand new and double glazed. All we've got to do now is put the curtains back up.